Behavioral artificial intelligence, about understanding clients using big data and consumer insights. We like to call this solution scaled insights. In order to explain this to you, we need to tell you the story about the happy turkey, which is really a story about predicting the future. Our story starts with the turkey chick, who is a little nervous about the farmer, but gets fed and taken care of. And as the turkey grows, he starts to really love the farmer. And the farmer praises the turkey and tells him how awesome he is. And as a result, the turkey observes all of this love by observing the farmer's actions. Now, unfortunately, that works really well until Thanksgiving. On Thanksgiving, the turkey ends up quite shocked. He in fact wonders what happened. Now, if we examine what we'll find is that it was a matter of forecasting. The turkey was forecasting actions, which is effectively what we do with big data. Big data is the act of using people's past actions to forecast their future actions. And that's what our turkey was doing. He was looking at all the good treatment he was getting and assuming that it was love. Whereas the farmer's motivations were quite different. If the turkey was actually able to predict based on motivations and not just actions, he would understand why the actions were being taken. And that deeper knowledge would really help. Now, when we look at this in a corporate standpoint, we notice that most companies have truckloads of big data and small groups of consumer insights, which are really insights into what motivates and satisfies their customers. Unfortunately, in between is a massive sea of humanity, which is very poorly understood. We propose that our solution, Behavioral AI, can bridge the gap and allow companies to understand consumer insights at scale, which is to be able to map their motivations to the big data, why the action was taken. How do we do it? Well, we start with inputs like social media or call recordings or text and chat. This stuff is generally recorded and kept somewhere or made available publicly, but the challenge with it is that it's dark data and it needs to be unlocked. Our technology allows us to extract emotion, sentiment, personality, and thinking style and turn those factors, which is what a salesman would observe when they were talking to somebody, into numerical form, which is effectively an Excel spreadsheet. Once that's done, that data can then be coordinated and correlated with existing big data. So now all of a sudden we can take personality and bridge it with actions. Once we've done that, we can then design predictive algorithms. And the predictive algorithms can understand how specific personalities will react and which actions they will take. That is what we would call a scaled insight. We're able to do this, and are doing this, in a number of industries. Some of them are listed here. Insurance, we're working with both P&C and life and health companies, as well as some general underwriting. In finance, we're working with wealth management and advisor matching, credit granting and collection techniques, as well as looking at credit cards and best fit, as well as appropriate credit to grant. For government, we're using it for law enforcement, and for municipalities to better understand their workers and figure out if they're both satisfied or in the right place. And in retail, we're using it in both grocery and consumer packaged goods for deeper understanding of transactions and why they're taken. We'd love to talk to you about how we could use scaled insights to help your company. Please contact us at the number below. I'm Stuart Sherman, the CEO of IMC. And my email is ssherman@imcba.com. My phone number is 416-444-2468, and we'd love to chat with you. Thank you very much.